In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set priorities in Microsoft Project. Before we get hands-on, here's what priority really means in Microsoft Project. A task's priority is a number from 0 to 1000 that guides how resource leveling treats that task. It doesn't directly change start or finish dates by itself. Instead, when you level resources to resolve overallocation, Project uses priority, along with slack, dependencies, constraints, and dates, to decide which tasks can be delayed or split. Higher numbers mean the task is more protected. 1000 is effectively do not level, and 500 is the default middle ground. When you're working across multiple projects, each project's own priority also influences which one gets adjusted first during leveling. Let's make priorities visible so you can work with them easily. In your Gantt chart or task sheet view, right-click any column header, choose Insert Column, and select Priority. You'll see a new numeric field appear next to each task. This is the quickest way to scan, enter, and adjust values right in the grid. You can click into the cells and type the number you want, 0 for the most flexible tasks, 1000 for tasks you absolutely don't want moved, and anything in between to reflect relative importance. If you prefer a dialogue-driven approach, you can set a priority from the Task Information window. Double-click the task, and on the General tab, find the priority box. Enter a value between 0 and 1000. Remember, 1000 is the highest priority and will prevent the task from being delayed during leveling, while lower values tell Project the task is more flexible. Click OK to apply your change. Need to update several tasks at once? Select them first, open Task Information for the group, and enter a single value to apply it in bulk. Now, let's connect this to scheduling behavior. Priority becomes active when you run resource leveling to fix overallocations. Project weighs priority alongside float, links, and constraints to choose which tasks to delay or split. High priority tasks tend to stay put. Lower priority tasks are the first candidates to move. Across multiple projects, Project also considers each project's overall priority to decide which plan should shift first. If you don't level, changing priority won't alter dates. Finally, use the priority field to manage your view. Sort or filter by priority to focus on critical or must-not-move tasks, and keep the column visible so adjustments are fast and transparent. A simple approach is to leave most tasks at 500, raise only the truly immovable ones, and lower nice-to-have work, giving Project clear guidance when it resolves conflicts.